The next tutorial is how to insert a photo into a Google slide. You can see for this specific assignment, they want you to turn the student into the scarecrow. So if you don't already have a picture in your camera roll of the student's face, you're going to click the plus sign and image. From there, you can either choose to take the photo right there, or you can choose to grab it from your camera. I do not have a photo on my camera roll right now, so I'm going to click from photos. It may ask if you can access the photos. If it does this, you need to click OK. Access the camera. Once you've taken the picture, you can click Use Picture if that's the picture you want. And from here, you can crop and edit it the way you want it. So in order to crop, you're going to click this square with the overlapping edges. This will allow me to crop that picture. For this specific assignment, the scarecrow's face is in the shape of a circle. So if I want my picture to be that same shape, I'm going to click this shape button. And now I can click the desired shape. Move my photo into that circle. Click outside of it. And now my picture matches the same shape as the scarecrow.